In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing international transactions or simply adjusting your account settings for a different region, QuickBooks Online makes it easy to switch between currencies. Having the correct currency setup is essential for accurate financial reporting, so I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your currency updated and ready to go. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's begin by opening your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Accounts and Settings. This will open a new window where you can manage various preferences and features for your QuickBooks account. On the left-hand side of this window, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Advanced. It's usually located toward the bottom of the list, so don't worry if it takes a moment to find. Now that you're in the Advanced tab, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Currency. If the section is collapsed, click on it to expand the details. Here, you'll see the option to choose your desired currency. A drop-down menu will display a list of currencies available to you. Take a moment to scroll through the list and select the one that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen your currency, it's important to save your changes. To do this, locate the Save button and click on it. This ensures that your new currency setting is applied to your account. After saving, you'll see a Done button in the bottom right corner of the window. Click on that to close the Accounts and Settings window. Now, to make sure everything is updated correctly, it's a good idea to review some of your key reports or lists within QuickBooks Online. Check that the currency change is reflected where it needs to be, such as in your invoices, expenses, or other financial data. If everything looks good, you're all set. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.